Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. I stopped by my Hobby Lobby store and picked up some heart doilies. The Valentine items are still at 40%, but I needed these doilies in my life. So these are $1.99 regular price, and I paid $1.19 each. I picked it up in the red and in the white, and that's what they look like. I like this size, very cute. It does say love right in the center. It's embossed right there. You don't really see it unless you like tilt it. I don't know if you can catch that, but it is there. And then here's the white one, and it's the same thing as embossed loved right in the center. But I think this is a really cute journal size, right? Or any small craft piece, and it'll look really cute on any project. So I picked up these, and these are the only Valentine items I picked up. I also went hunting for some sequins, and this is the fuchsia color. It's 3 different sizes of the sequins, and this was still a regular price at $1.99. And you get 5mm, 8mm, and the 10mm sequins in here. It is nice that they actually tell us what size of the sequins are. Let's see there. This is the large one, and this is like a medium size. And then this is the tiny ones. Here is what we're all familiar with. I like that. And then I went down the sewing aisle and picked up some of this quilter plastic template. It is 11 by 8.66 inch, and you get 6 sheets in here, and this was $4.99. I needed this for just for my surface. Sometimes I just need a small some plastic or some sort of barrier between my table and my projects, and I thought this would work out really well. And then I can always, if I need to make stencils, I have this available. So it is a nice thick piece of plastic, so you know it's going to work really well for my project. I also picked up 2 of these. This one is there a size on here? No. Let me measure right quickly. It is 18 inches by 12 inches. And this is also one of the plastic templates for quilting. And this is the extra thick one. You see how, can you tell and hear how thick it sounds? This was $2.99, and I picked up 2 of these. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one also. Oh, there's a lid there. I need this for like a flat surface when I'm working with like wet stuff. I can put paper on here and make a mess if I need to. So I like this. See, I like it that it's thick. So those are the only items I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I also stopped by my Tuesday morning store. I picked up this clear stamp. It is by Bo Bunny. Just My Type stamp is the name of the stamp. And it was $3.29. I wanted to mention, I don't know if you've all noticed, or maybe it's just my store, they are marking their merchandise up, because see, the original sticker is still underneath for $2.99, but I paid $3.29. And I was thinking, well, maybe they did it wrong, but then when I lift it up, you can tell the original price was less. So they're adding more money to original price. I don't know. Anyhow, I picked this up. Look at that. How cute is this? I love the typewriter, and then I like it that there's a paper in here you can write in there, and then they have stamps here too in case you want to stamp it. But I think it'll be cute, you know, just put your own message in there once you put it on the paper. It'll be really cute, right? I like it. And then you get 13 pieces in here. Nice. And I picked up this ephemera pieces. You get 40 pieces in here. And again, they did the same thing. This is $3.99. And let's see what the original price was. Maybe you can tell. That looks like $2.99. So this one is called Heritage by Maggie Holmes. And I only found one. I wish there were, you know, there was two, but this is what you get in there. Can you see? There's some cute little pieces in there, right? I love that piece. I'm going to keep a watch out, see if I can find another one in the Heritage collection. I also picked up this one. This one is by Simple Stories. It is Simple Vintage Weathered Garden. And it's chipboard stickers. And I paid $3.29. And I'm going to guess this was probably originally $2.99 also. But let's see. I was thinking, I already have the ephemeras in this collection. I'll have to check my supply box, but I believe I have the ephemera for this collection. So I went ahead and picked up the chipboard one. Yep, it says $2.99 there also. But there's the number in case you want to see the inventory number. And then the last item I picked up from Tuesday morning is this. This is by Ibotta. It's a paper kit and it's transatlantic travel. Let me open this right quick. This paper kit I paid $7.49 and the original price was $6.99. You know, so yeah, they're starting to charge more anyhow. I'm not too thrilled about that, but it's still cheaper than what you would have paid in a regular store anyhow. But I love this pack. Can you see? It is really cute. I want to use this in something. I want to have it available for when I need it. It is, I love this. It's like a the vintage feel to the whole collection. I love maps. I have a whole collection of atlases. I love seeing the difference, you know, between years of how all these atlases appear. It looks like you get 2 sheets of everything. Look at this one. Nice. I like that one too. And then this is really nice. Aged and scripting. Look at the postcards. Very cute. And then that's the back side. Oh, look at this. I love that. Yeah. This one would be like the London Gazette ship news, and the back looks like that. And then you get stickers. I like this pack. They only had one kit, so I would have picked up another one if they had it. But I'm gonna check back this week and then see if they have it. My store gets their truck on like Wednesdays, so I have to wait till Thursday to go and see what they have. Even though they get their truck on Wednesdays, they don't always put out the, finish putting out the merchandise until like Thursday or Friday. So I'll check back and then hopefully they will have another one of these. This is my haul for the week. So yeah, I'm quite happy I found my sequins. These hearts were just a bonus. I mainly went to look for a precision scissors at Hobby Lobby, and they didn't have any. Yeah, somebody was thinking the same thing I was, and they didn't have any in stock. So, and then I went to the sewing aisle thinking, well, maybe I can find something there, but I don't know. I found some smaller scissors, but I wasn't quite sure if that's what I wanted. And then I'm like, okay, well, maybe if I go to Walmart, they might have it. So I had to like travel for a bit, but no, they didn't have it either. There's a shortage of small scissors right now. They have plenty of the big scissors, which I already have. I don't need anymore. I just need some small ones like this. I have this other one here. I bought this one from Tuesday Morning too, but it's really hard to work. You really have to like force it apart, especially when you're cutting little things. You don't want to have to fight with your scissors. And then this one is by American Crafts. I just happened to get one that is absolutely snug down. So I need one that's a little looser, like this one, my trusty scissors. But yeah, I like to have two on hand just in case. And I really need the pointy end too, so that's why I stopped by Hobby Lobby thinking they would have some, but they didn't. They didn't have any. Their I think their truck comes on Wednesday also, so I will check back. Maybe they'll have some on Wednesday afternoon, or maybe Thursday I'll go look again. Well, thank you for stopping by to watch my haul this week. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.